Here's how you can change your boring looking iPhone footage from this to this. So let's create that magic, shall we? So this is the video that we are going to be working with. It's just a normal boring shot, nothing so fancy, and I'm just moving the camera from left to right and right to left. Now I've shot this using the latest iPhone on 4K 120 FPS. Now you know what 120 FPS means. In this case it's a 24 FPS timeline, so I can just right click, change clip speed and change it to 20%. So I can slow down the footage since it's shot on a 120 FPS. Now if I play, I can see it's going to be a slow footage. It's pretty much very slow, so let me just extend it. So now you can see it's very slow and buttery, but still we have a lot to fix here. So the very first thing what I'm going to do is right click, retime controls, and then I'm going to do a bit of speed ramp. So basically what I want is, I want the initial part of the video to be fast and then the pouring part to be real slow and then go back to normal. I'm going to add a speed point here. For that, just click this arrow, add speed point. So once I drag this, the speed gets decreased, but I want it to increase it. So let me just zoom in a bit. Now you can see once you bring the mouse over here, you see black arrows pointed either side. So just drag it like this. You can see the speed increasing. So I want to make it very fast. So let me just move the speed point somewhere here and then just keep dragging it, like really fast. Maybe around 700 something. So I want the pouring part to be slow. So just search for where the pouring starts. Yeah, I think about there. I'll move this right here. Okay, so now you have fast and then slow, and then maybe a little bit after I will just add one more speed point here. So now you have fast, slow, and in this point I want to make it fast again. You can also change the speed by pressing this arrow, change speed. You can change speed like this, but you can only change it to these values. Okay, so let me just put 800 here. So now if I play, I have fast, slow, and then fast. Okay, so let me cut the portion where the camera is coming back. Okay, so now if I play, you have something like this. It really looks very choppy, but let's fix that. So for that, right click, retime curve. Now it's like fast then slow. It's like a sudden drop, so you need to smoothen it out. For that, just click on this right here and press this here, and you can just drag and pull this nice and easy, so it's like really smooth. Also, you will have to do this on this end also. Press this one, smoothen, and just drag it like this. So now if we play, it's somewhat better. I'm going to trim a little bit towards the end. I don't want the camera to come back. Okay, so now if I play, nice and easy. Yeah, there it ends. We still have a lot of things to fix because as you can see, it's not steady, it's very shaky. So first, let me just quickly color grade this video. So I have applied a nice color grade on this video, and this is what we have. Now let's fix the stabilization. For that, what I have to do is right click, new fusion clip. Let's come to fusion. So this is what we have, and once you hear fusion, don't worry, it's just 2 steps, nothing crazy going on here. Now once the media one is selected, I press shift spacebar and type in planar tracker, add. So a node appears right here. Now the very first step that I have to do is press this reference time set. So whichever area this playhead is, that will be set as the reference time. Now we will change the motion type. I would like to put translation and rotation. And now let's draw a tracker point just around the glass. You don't need to be very precise, it's just to get as much tracking points. So once it's done, I'm going to hit this. This means tracked forward in time. Okay, so it has tracked from this reference point 52. Now we want to track a reverse. So again, come here to 52 and track reverse. Alright, so the tracking has been completed. Now what you have to do is under operation mode, change from track to stabilize. So now if I zoom out, this one you can see a little more. I'll zoom out. You can see that the tracked point will always remain in the center of the frame. But as you move along, you can see in some frame it's going out of place and you can see the checkerboard here. In order to fix that, just select planar tracker, shift spacebar, transform, add, and just increase the size to a little bit, and you can move along like this and just check throughout the frame anywhere it's going out of place. Anywhere if you find the checkerboard, just zoom in a bit more, or you can adjust with the X and Y also. But in this case, I think we have solved that issue. Now if I play, you'll get something that looks like this. Now you can add in sound effects and sound design to really make that video to the next level. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys are new here, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I'm going on a small vacation, so there won't be videos for about 2-3 weeks probably. So I'll see you all after that. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.